Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Isis Laika, and today my friends and I would like to talk about the effectiveness of social media for communicating health messages in educating public. So, what is social media? Social media is websites or applications that enable users to create and share content. In this era, as we can see, almost every person at least has an account of social media. So, we strongly agree that publicating help through social media is good and effective. This presentation will be divided into three main ideas. First point will be explained by Nick Nushabimi.
I will start with the first section, why health communication via social media is effective in educating the public. Health organizations chose to use media as a medium to educate people by health communication because it can increase interaction and health connection with others. It was found that social media are very useful for everyone and opens up many opportunities for health system to share any information that allow patients to have more awareness about their own health. Research has been carried out by peer-to-peer healthcare, which has become a source for patient information and support, and it was found that 25% of patients diagnosed with chronic medical condition have used the internet to find and engage with others by the same medical condition. It also mentioned that they were getting advices from any social media such as Twitter from educated people, which help them to be aware with the unexpected condition that they will face. I've talked about the first reason why health communication is very effective via social media, so let's move to the next point.
Hi, I am Anini Shazina. Yes, I strongly agree that it is more effective about health communication if educate the public via social media. This is because we can use our own terms. When users consume social media message, they do so on their own terms, while medical professionals remain the primary source for health information. Consumers are increasingly turning to digital media for many reasons. These include the ease of social media, the desire to learn about wellness, and the need for the convenient human connection provided by online conversation. These conversations have grown in importance as consumers use them as a tool for evaluating care providers. Internet are more interactive from of media compared to compared to static websites or other media social, and it brings its user closer together. For instance, Dr. Amelina Cik Bakri is the one of doctor from Malaysia, share her knowledge about health. So, this is already proof that with using our own terms, we can increase understanding of people about health. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifah Fatimah. So now I'm going to talk about the last point of why health communication via social media is an effective way to educate public. So my point is social media extensive reach by practitioner. Okay, this is because social media is a great tool to widen your reach and expand your practice as a healthcare practitioner. Okay, so a local doctor in a rural area may come across a patient with an unusual set of symptoms and may require specialists as soon as possible. And according to Biomed Central Research, 7% of Americans use social media to connect with others. And in other research too, a higher number of physicians and nurses reported awareness of social media policy in their hospital. Okay, in other words, social media can also be one of the most innovative and one of the most destructive market forces. So I've talked about the last point of why health communication via social media is an effective way to educate public. So now let's move on to the conclusion.
Summarize briefly about what we've looked at so far. Firstly, we talked about how social media increase interaction and help connection. Then, we look at how using own and simplified terms can increase people understanding. Last but not least, we discussed about extensive reach by the practitioner. So we would like to suggest any people out there to educate people through social media as it seems to be very effective. Thank you.